Hi, this is Navya. In this video, I'll be solving the Constable paper that is 2020 that was held on 18th October 2020. That's today. So let's start by solving this. The first question. So BSE, the full form of BSE, it stands for the Bombay Stock Exchange. The option A is the right answer. And the question 2, that is which among the following is the regulator of commodity markets in India? And the answer is option D, that is the Forward Market Commission. So this Forward Market Commission, FMC, so this is a regulator of commodity markets in India, and this headquarters is located in the Mumbai. The headquarters is located in the Mumbai. And the third question, that is income tax is which type of tax they're asking. So this is a direct tax as we are paying direct. And the fourth question, GNP in economics, it stands for the full form of GNP. That is option C. The gross national product is the right answer. Question number 5. So the average age of three boys is 15 years. And here they're asking the youngest boy age as the value is 15 here. So let's start by solving this. So 3x plus 5x, this is in the ratio form. 15, so 45 is equal to 15x, so x is equal to 45 divided by 15, 3s are. So as in the value 3x, that is here they have mentioned, so 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 years. So here the right answer is option D, that is option D, that is 9 years. And the sixth question, if A and B together can complete a piece of work in 15 days, A and B together. So let's take here 1 by AB. So this is together. So together in 15 days. So that is equal to alone. So B alone, it completes by 20 days. And the question is we need to find about the A alone, how many days it takes to complete a work. So 1 by A. So this is both can complete the work, that is equal to individual one. So 1 by 8, as we know, they have not given. So we have to find this value plus. So 1 by B is 20. So 1 divided by 20. So let's take here 1 by A is equal to, that is 1 by minus 1 by 20. So let's take an LCM for this two term, becomes 16, 4 minus 3, and the answer would be 1 by 60. A is equal to, so the answer of A is equal to 60. So here the answer is option A, that is 60. So 60 would be the answer for this question. Yes, and the next question is the series number. So let me erase this. Yeah, so they're asking the series way. The next number in the series, from this notation, from this, it is a 1 square, it is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 5 is 25, 6 square, 7 square, and what could be the next? It is an 8 square, that is 8 8s are 64. So the answer is option C, that is 64. Yeah, odd man out. So odd man out in this series, as we can see there, here everything is odd number except this 14. So the answer would be option B, that is the 14th is the answer. And the ninth question, the sum of two numbers is 25. So let us take a sum, x plus y, that is equal to 25. And the difference is 13. So x minus y, that is equal to 3. And find the product. So x and y here, this is a question. Here we need to find the product of x and y. Before finding this product x and y, we need to know the value of x and value of y. So let us find the value of x and y first and then move to the product. So here, when we change the sign, This goes, and here it is 2y, that is equal to, this is 30, not 3. So 25 minus 13, that is the 12. So y is equal to 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12. So here the y answer would be is equal to 6. But only knowing the y value, we know we can't find this x value. So let us find the x value. So how to find the x value? X is, we need to replace the y value for this equation. X plus y is equal to 25. So here y, as we know that, so x plus y is equal to 25. Y value is 6. X is equal to, we doesn't know the value of this. So x is equal to 25 minus 6. So x is equal to 90. So this is the x value. But here the together. So together in the sense x is 19. X is 19. Y is 6. So 6. So that would be the answer. So that is option B. 114. So 19 6 are 114. So 114 is the right answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. It is 10th question. A train running at the speed of 60 kilometer per hour and with a 9 seconds. So the speed has been given. And what is the length of the train? Length is nothing but the distance. So as we know, the formula speed is equal to distance by time. But here we need to find the distance. So distance is equal to this into this. Speed into time. So distance is equal to speed, the 60 kilometer, into time, that is 9 seconds. So let us convert the seconds into the hour. That is an easily dividable. That is, so 5 by 18 into how many seconds it is? 9 seconds. 9. So 9 ones are 9 twos are 80, and D is equal to 2 threes are 35 are 150. 35 are 150 meter. So here the option is D, that is 150 meter. So let's move to the next question. Yeah, missing term. So here find the missing term. Find the missing term. So here as we can see, in the first row it is saying that 6 plus 9 is equal to 15, 8 plus 12 is equal to 20, and 4 plus 6 is equal to, it should be a 10. So the answer for this question is option B, that is the 10. And the next question, we'll move to 13th. So here, this is in the ratio form. A is to B is to C, that is A plus B plus C, that is equal to 3 is to 4 is to 7. So 3x plus 4x plus 7x. So that would be, and now we have to find the ratio, that in the form of the ratio. So 3x plus 4x plus 7x, the total is equal to 14x. So let us take as a plus b plus c, that is equal to 14x, as we are adding all this term 14x. And now, so here this 14x, that is again it is to c. C is nothing but the 7. This is a, this is b, this is c. So as in the question, this is in the question, a plus b plus c is to again c. So that is equal to a plus b plus c, that is 14x. We know this by adding all the term. So 14x, so that is to c. The c is 7 here, 7. So 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. So here the answer would be 2 is to 1. So the right answer for this question is option A, that is 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1 is the right answer, option A. Next question, 14th question. And athletic runs 200-meter race in 24 seconds. So distance they have given and the time is given, so we need to find the speed. So we know that speed is equal to distance by time. So speed is equal to distance is nothing but the 200-meter, and here the time is 24. So let us convert the seconds into an hour by 18 by 5. So let's divide this. This is 4 0 and 5 1 0 and uh, 10 0. So here the answer would be 30 kilometer per hour. That is the option. D is the right answer for this. So let's move to the 15th question. Yeah, this is all from here onwards. We would find on the GK basis of the question, GK basis question. So, which of the following is a state bird of Karnataka? So, that is the Nilakanta. We call the bird as a Nilakanta. That is the Indian roller as the Nilakanta. Yeah. And the 16th question. So, here in the 16th question, it is shown as who won the men's single US Open tennis title for 2020. So, that is the Rafael Nadal. So, Rafael Nadal won the US Open tennis title, that is 2020. Yeah. So, and the 17th question, that is a Pandit Jasral who recently passed away. So, associated with uh, which field? So, that is the music field. That is option C. Music is the right answer for this question. Music field. And the next question is, yeah, 18th question. Satyapal Malik has been recently appointed as the governor for the which state? Is a question. So Satyapal Malik, he is recently appointed to the governor of the state. That state is the Meghalaya. So option D is the right answer for this question. And the 19th question, so here the new election commission of India has been replaced to the Ashoka Lavas. That is the Rajiv Kumar. Option D is the right answer for this. Rajiv Kumar has been replaced from the Ashok Lavas for the new election commission of India. So the 20th question, the longest river, that ropeway of India that has been launched over the river, and that river is Brahmaputra. On the Brahmaputra, the longest river ropeway has been launched over this Brahmaputra river. And the next question, that is the 21st, that is Indra. So this Indra is the bilateral exercise, and this belongs to the Indian Navy. And this is being with which country? So that is option C. That is Russia. It is with Russia. 22nd question. So here, the state has launched rejuvenating watersheds of the agriculture results through the innovative department, that is reward. So reward, it stands for rejuvenating watersheds of agriculture resilience through the innovative department. So this scheme is being related to the which state? This is a question. So that state is Karnataka. The option A, that is a Karnataka state. And the 23rd question. So 23rd question says that here which of the following, that the buffalo race is held in Karnataka? The name of the buffalo race that has held in the Karnataka, that is called as Kambala. The answer is Kambala. So that is the option D. The answer is Kambala. Kambala. And the next question is 24th. Yes. So here, this is a mobile app. So that has been recently launched by the Karnataka government. So for what purpose? That is to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. And that mobile app is nothing but the Option A, that is Apta Mitra. Apta Mitra is a mobile app that government suggests the people to install this app for to all of their mobile phones, Android mobile phones. Apta Mitra, yes. And the 25th question, 25th. So, which place? So, the place that is chosen to establish the Asian first rice technological park. So, which is that place? So, that is a question. So, the place is the Gangavati. So, option B is a right answer for this Gangavati. So, let us move to the next question. That is 26th. So here, which city is ranked top in the Swachh Bharata ranking? So that Swachh Bharata ranking that was released by the Ministry of Urban Development India. So that is the place is the Mysuru. Option C, Mysuru is the right answer. So Mysuru, this city ranked top in the Swachh Bharata ranking that was released by the Ministry of the Urban Development of India. And 27th question. So here, the recently which Arab country signed a peace deal with Israel? So this Arab country, so one of the Arab country we call this as the UAE. So that is the option C is the right answer. 28th question. Who was the first governor of Karnataka state? 28. So that is the option E. Jayashamarajendra Odiyar was the first governor of the Karnataka. And 29 question. So this is the famous place we have been gone through all the through the trips. That is a Kudremukha. Yes, Kudremukha National Park. So this is situated in which district? So this is situated in the Chikmagaluru. In the place of Chikmagaluru, you can see the national park that is Kudremukha. And one of the other question is the Anchi National Park. This Anchi National Park is one of the national park, and that is situated in which district? So this is in the Uttara Kannada district. Option B, Uttara Kannada is the right answer. And the next question, that is first question, that is the so here the state government has launched a digital platform that is Seva Sindhu for as well the free governance. So this Seva Sindhu belongs to which country? So sorry, not country, which state has been launched the Seva Sindhu? In Seva Sindhu, you can just upload. You can just upload the document, or you can just apply a form. Various forms will be available through that. You can just apply. The application. So this is from the Karnataka. Option D is the right answer, Karnataka. And 32nd question, that is the Nubra Valley. Nubra Valley. So this is in the news recently. So this Nubra Valley is located in which state or union territory? So this is located in which state or union territory? So that is in the Ladakh union territory. Recently, I made this Ladakh as a union territory. So this is the option D is the right answer. That is Ladakh. And who is recently appointed as a chairman of the National School of Drama? So this is option D, that is the Paresh Rawal has been appointed as a chairman of the National School of Drama. And 34th question. So India's first integrated air ambulance service was launched in which city? That is in the India's first. So that is launched. Obviously, that is in the Karnataka. That is in the Karnataka. That is in the Bengaluru. So Bengaluru, that is the first integrated air ambulance service that was launched in the Bengaluru city from the Karnataka government. And 34th is the option D. That is Bengaluru. 35th question. So the state that is going to be a launch India's first international women trade day. So that comes under the Kerala, option C. So Kerala is a state that is going to launch for the women, that is for the International Women's Trade Center. Option C, Kerala. 36th question. So, which is the capital of Sri Lanka? So, Sri Lanka capital is option D. It's a direct question, that is the Colombo. And 37th question, that is Tiawan 1, this is the Mars mission of with which country? This is with the China. And 38 question next is Hornbill Festival. So this is one type of a festival. So that is celebrated in the state of Nagaland. Option B, Nagaland is the right answer. Nagaland people, they used to celebrate this on Hornbill Festival. Nagaland people. And 39 question. Here, INCOIS, that is Indian National Center for the Ocean Information Services. So this is located in which city? So this is located in the Hyderabad city. Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services is located in the Hyderabad. The next question, that is Konkan coast. It stretches between which place? So this stretches between Goa and the Kochi. That is the option C. And 41 question, that is which state has the largest coastline in India? So the coastline in the sense the west part of the India, that is Gujarat. Option A, Gujarat is has the largest coastline of in India. Which of the following latitude passes? The next question is 42nd. Which of the following latitude passes through the India? So that is Tropic of Cancer, option D. That passes through the India. So that this covers Gujarat and Punjab, some of the places. And McMahon line. So this boundary between McMahon line, India and China. So the boundary between of the between. And the next question, the river Kaveri. This flows from not Kerala. Kaveri doesn't come through Kerala. This flows from Karnataka to Kerala. That is option B. Karnataka to not Kerala. It is from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu. And the next question, that is capital of Lakshadweep. 45th question. The capital of Lakshadweep is option D. That is Kavaratti. It's a union territory, Lakshadweep. So the capital is Kavaratti. Gold Gumbaz is located in which place? So 46th question. The Gold Gumbaz is located in option C. That is Vijayapura place. On which river the Joke Falls is located? Joke Falls. Joke Falls comes in Shivamogga, so the river is Sharavati River. And the black soil is more suitable for growing. Black soil is more suitable for growing the cotton. So cotton is the right answer. And 49th question, that is Devbag beach is located in which place? So Devbag beach is this beach is located in the Karwara. Option A, Karwara. And the 50th question. So the major producer of the mulberry silk in India. So mulberry silk is famous in the Karnataka. So Karnataka is the right answer for this question. And 51st question, that is a rabi crop is sown in which month? So this would be sown in the month of October and November. That is option A. Option A, October and November. And the 52nd question, that is the Indus Valley civilization can be said to belong to which age? That is the Bronze Age. They just belongs to Bronze Age. They have been taken everything from the Bronze Age. This bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. So bauxite, the next question is the bauxite is the ore of this bauxite is the ore of the first option, that is the aluminium. And 54th question, that is which of the following river that flows between Vindhya and Satpura range? So the river that flows through this Vindhya and Satpura range, so that is the river Narmada. So river Narmada, this flows through these ranges. So the 55th question, that is the Hampi is located in Bellary is the right answer. 56th question. So, who was the spiritual leader that associated with the founding of the Vijayanagara kingdom? That is the option B, that is Vidyaranya. Vidyaranya was a spiritual leader that was associated with the founding of the Vijayanagara kingdom, that is Vidyaranya. And Gautama Buddha as a prince was known as Siddhartha, option B. So he was known as the prince, that is a Siddhartha. 58. The philosophy propounded in the Upanishad. So this philosophy in the Upanishad, that is known as Vedanta, option B, Vedanta. And 59th question, the founder of Jainism. The founder of Jainism is the Mahavira. And 60th question, the temples at Halebeedu and Beluru belong to which of the following dynasty? This Beluru and Halebeedu temples all belong to the Hoysala dynasty. That is the option A, Hoysala dynasty. And the next question, Mazir Khan, who fought with the Shivaji, was the ruler of which place? So that he was a ruler from the Bijapura place. Option A, Bijapura. And next question, who was the following is considered as the father of the Carnatic music? Carnatic music is the Purandaradasa. Purandaradasa is known as he was the father of the Carnatic music. 63rd. The town of Shravana Belgoda is an important pilgrim center for which religion? That is the Jains. Shravana Belgoda, that is in near Shravana Belgoda, that is a place that and answer is the Jains. This Shravana Belgola, that Gomateshwara statue is there, and that statue is 58 feet tall. That statue is 64th question, that is in which year was the Kannada Sahitya Parishad was established, and this was established in the 1915, that is option B, 1915. Kannada Sahitya Parishad. Before coming this Karnataka as the as a state, at that time it established the Kannada Sahitya Parishad. So when was the first Anglo-Mysore War was fought? That the first Anglo-Mysore War fought in the option D, that is the 1767. And the 66th question, which one is the first Kannada movie? So the first Kannada movie is the Sati Sulochana is the first Kannada movie. And 67th question, that is, which is a famous temple located in the Beluru? The famous temple that is located in the Beluru, that is the Channakeshava temple is located here. Channakeshava temple. And the next question is, the Servants of Indian Society was founded in 1905 and by whom? That is option C, Gopala Krishna Gokhale formed the Servants of India in 1905. And the 69th question, that is, Gandhi Irving Pact was signed in which year? This Gandhi Irving Pact was signed in the 1931. Option C is the right answer. 70th question, Khilafat movement was organized to protest against the injustice done which of these country? So that is the Turkish. Answer the is option B, Turkish. 71 question, that is, who was a main proponent of the theory of drain of wealth? The drain of wealth, that theory, that was from the Dadabhai Nehruji. Option B is the right answer for this question. And the next question, glass is made up of the mixture of what? So the glass is made of the mixture of the option B, that is sand and silicates are the mixture or mixtures. From these mixtures, glass is made. And 73rd, what which of the following is used in the pencil? As obviously the graphite has been used in the pencils. Graphite, option A. And electric bulb, 74th, electric bulb filament is made up of, it is tungsten. From tungsten the electric bulb will be made up of. And 75th question, so 1 kilometer is equal to how many miles? Miles, in terms of miles, we can just tell you that option D, that is 0.62 miles, is that is nothing but a 1 kilometer in terms of miles. 76th question. So plants absorb the dissolved nitrates from the soil and that convert them into what? So that is the ammonia. They convert into ammonia. And again, it is in the form of the ammonium nitrate. So it will be in the form of that. And the 77 questions of which layer protects Earth from the harmful rays of the sun? That is the ozone layer. Ozone layer, it protects from the harmful gases. And the next question, which is the following is used as a moderator in the nuclear reactor? That is a graphite. Graphite has been used as a moderator in the nuclear reactor. So mumps. Mumps is a disease. This is caused by the virus. Option C, that is the virus. So which of the following is not a computer programming language? C++ is a computer language, Java also computer language, Basics also a computer language. So Microsoft, this is not a computer language. It is an app software. It's not a language. It's a software. Microsoft Word. So this Microsoft Word is an example of what? This Microsoft Word is an example of the application software. It is a software, not the operating system, not the input device, and not the processing unit. It is just an application software. So computer virus. So this computer virus is a software. So we access the World Wide Web. That is 83 question. We access the World Wide Web. That is for the browsers only. Browsings. And 84. So LAN stands for, that is option D, local area network. And 85th question, that is DNS is internet technology, that stands for option C, that is domain name system. Domain name system. So what is the shortcut key? And the next question is, what is a shortcut key for undo? Undo is a shortcut key that is used for control Z. So for this undo, in the this is a keyboard, the shortcut key that is not control X. Control X is nothing but the cut. Control Z is the undo. Control Z is the right answer. Option B. So which among the following is not the input device? So which among the following is the input device? Is not the input device. So here printer, obviously, so this printer is the output device. So this is not a input device. So which of the following is the largest unit in the storage system? That is the terabyte, TB. So TB is the largest unit of the storage system. And 89, that is two or more computer, those are connected in the form. So two or more computer, if it is connected in the each other, so that forms a network. That is option B. That forms a network. So the disqualification of the members of the parliament and the state legislature on the ground. So that directly deals in the 10th schedule of the constitution. Option A, 10th schedule of the constitution. 91st. So the governor, though he remains in the office at the pressure of the president, in the integral part of the state legislature. So state legislature is the right answer. So right to life, liberty. So this is ensured under the article of 21 article. 21 article. And the next question, 93. That is the directive principle of the state policy ensured in which part of the constitution? That is option D. That is part 4 of the constitution. Directive principle of state policy. And the national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Option B is the right answer for 94th question. And minimum age that to qualify the election of the Lok Sabha election, that is 25 years. If the person is 25 years age of old, then he can be qualify. He will be the qualify for the election of the Lok Sabha. He can be the part of the election of the Lok Sabha. And the minimum age of the voter in India, that is 18 years. After once he complete 18, he has a ability to vote. The eligibility criteria is 18 years. And the 97th question, that is a member of the Rajya Sabha or elected in the term for the terms of 6 years. For 6 years, but in the Lok Sabha, it will be the 5 years. But in the Rajya Sabha, for the 6 years of term. Okay. Then the 98th, that is 98th question. The chairman of the Public Account Committee in Indian Parliament. So the the chairman, so who will be appointed? So that is the opposition party. Opposition party will be appointing the chairman of the public account committee in the Indian parliament. And the chief minister is appointed by 99 question. The chief minister is appointed by the governor. Option A, governor is the right answer. And 100th question, bank rate is defined at the rate at which, that is option A, RBI that lends short term loans to commercial banks. So that completes this constable paper. So this was held on 18th October 2020 for the constable.